This is the finishing part of the indomie. If you want to know how I make this delicious and sweet, yummy, tasty indomie, follow me to my kitchen. Okay, let's go straight to the business. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time to my channel, I welcome you. I'm a married woman living in Germany with 3 kids. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairdressing and more. So in today's video, to my returning subscribers, I thank you so much and I pray that the Almighty God bless you. I really appreciate for you guys always coming to support me. So guys, let's go straight to the business. In today's video is all about how to make yummy and healthy indomie for your children or your kids. So this recipe, my kids love it so much, I decided to share this video with you guys. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I will be using tomatoes, onions, sweet corn, indomie and sardine. So that is all the ingredients I'm going to be using. So right now I will boil a hot water. I will put water in a pot and boil it. So let's go straight to the business. So I've added hot water in a pot and is about to boil. So right now I will add the sardine inside. So guys, as the hot water is boiling, I'm going to add the sardine inside. I've added the sardine inside. Guys, I forgot to show my carrots. In this recipe I will be using carrots also. So guys, I'm going to be adding all the indomie inside. I will add the indomie inside the pot. Yeah. So I will cover it to cook. After adding the sauce, after adding the indomie spices, I will cover everything to cook. I will add all the spices inside. So I've added all the spices. So I will be adding carrots. I'm going to slice all these vegetables together now. So guys, right now I've finished slicing everything, the onions, the carrots, everything. I'm going to add it inside. So I will add the sweet corn. Yeah, you make it very healthy and delicious for them so that when they are eating it they will enjoy it. So I will just cover everything now to cook. So that is all, nothing less, nothing more. Just leave it to boil until the water dries. Then so guys, right now we are going to check our yummy healthy indomie. Wow, my god, you cannot imagine the aroma coming out of this indomie. Very yummy and healthy for your kids, for your children. Guys, if you haven't tried this method, the aroma, you know, kids, they got attracted with aroma. When they want to eat, first thing that attract them is the aroma. So guys, this is all I have for you for this video. If you haven't tried this, my method, yummy delicious method for your children or your kids, please do give it a try and you will not regret it. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Cheers.